Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about muscle attachments. First we'll see trapezius, then latissimus dorsi and the serratus anterior. Right, trapezius first. Origin, we have external occipital protuberance, okay, and also we are finding the upper, okay, sorry, the origin here will be the external occipital protuberance, okay, and also the C7 to I should say C7 to roughly T10 vertebra, and insertion into the where the trapezius, this upper crest of the spine of the scapula. This is supplied by the spinal accessory 11th nerve, okay. So it will adduct, rotate, elevate and depress the scapula. I'll give you a simple mnemonic to remember: deer, D-E-A-R, deer. D for depression, opposite is E, elevation, A, adduction or rotation, deer, okay, remember it as deer. Okay, so actually it is not T10, it is T12. That is the origin of the trapezius, C7 to T12, along with the external occipital protuberance. Insertion was into the upper crest of the spine. Okay, let's come to the latissimus dorsi. Origin is L1 to L5. There was one muscle which had this very similar origin. That was our quadratus lumborum. Okay, I've discussed about it in another video. So anyway, let us see now. T12 to L5 is the origin, and 9 to 12th ribs, iliac crest and thoracolumbar fascia. Insertion into the floor of the bicipital groove of the humerus. This is supplied by the thoracodorsal nerve. And this will also do the same movements what trapezius will do. That is the deer movements I told you. Depression, extension, adduction, rotation. Deer. Okay. Now let us see serratus anterior. Origin. First 8 digitations. Here. Insertion into the medial border of the scapula. Supplied by long thoracic nerve. What does it do? It does EAR, ear movements. Remove the D from deer, you will get EAR, ear movements. Elevation, abduction. There it was adduction, here opposite, abduction. And rotation of the scapula. Okay, remember the EAR, ear movements. Okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.